Hi guys, welcome to Khushi's Kitchen. Today I am going to prepare grilled fish in mustard sauce from my home style cooking recipes. Grilled fish with mustard sauce is a continental dish and it is also ideal for summer season as it contains very few spices. It is also quick, easy and simple recipe. If you like the recipe, then press the like button and share it more with your family, friends and relatives too. If you are a new friend to this channel, it's a request. Please subscribe the channel. Let's start the video while giving thanks to all of my old friends who stays beside me time to time and also watch my videos. I also welcome new friends too. Let's have a look to the ingredients which are enlisted for making this recipe. Very few ingredients are needed for preparing this recipe, which are present usually almost at our home. The ingredients list with detailed measurement are given here on the front page after starting the video, so you can pause the video and check the list in details. While cooking, I will also dictate the same step by step. To make grilled fish, here I have taken raw fish 8 pieces, which is approximately 300 grams. After washing and cleaning the fish, I have taken the fish in a bowl to marinate the fish. First, I am adding salt to taste, black pepper powder, little bit turmeric powder, vinegar. Now I am mixing all the ingredients with the fish well with hands. Now I am keeping the bowl on a plain freezer for marination for 10 minutes. In the meanwhile, I am preparing the gravy of the grilled fish. Now I am taking a frying pan where I am adding mustard oil in sufficient quantity, black cumin seeds, mustard sauce, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and giving a quick mix. Then I'm adding chili sauce, tomato sauce, also mixing the whole well. Then I'm adding 1.5 cup water and chopped coriander leaves. After adding all the ingredients, I am mixing the whole well with hands. Then taking out the fish from the freezer to bring it in normal temperature. Now I am placing the frying pan on a gas burner and let the gravy be cooked 40%. After bringing the marinated fish in normal temperature, now I am adding some mustard oil and mix it well with the fish pieces very well. Then I am switching on the gas burner on high flame and now placing the grill stand upside down for grilling the fish piece I am taking each fish piece with the help of tongs and grill the fish for 2 to 3 minutes. Then place the grilled fish in mustard sauce. Mix the whole together. In this manner, I am grilling all fish pieces and place each grilled fish in the mustard sauce gravy to well boil. Now I am adjusting the consistency of the gravy. After adjusting the consistency of the gravy, when the fish become well boiled in mustard sauce gravy and before turning off the flame, I am adding a little mustard sauce, mustard oil, chopped coriander leaf and green chilies chopped. Now I am turning off the flame and put a lid on the frying pan and keep an outstanding time of 5 minutes. Now after 5 minutes, I am taking a serving bowl and pour all the fish pieces carefully and also the mustard sauce gravy. Here our tasty, yummy and tangy grilled fish in mustard sauce is ready to serve. Let's serve with hot steamed rice. If you like the recipe, then try it at least once at home. It's very easy, quick and simple recipe, and let me know by comments in comment section below. Please consider the channel khushiskitchen for subscription and press the bell icon to get notified of my new cooking video updates in advance. My heartful thanks to those friends who have already subscribed my channel. Today's video is over for the time being and will be coming back soon with a new recipe. Thanks for watching and also thanks to all.